Beautiful day out today. Nice day for a walk down to the river. Gorgeous, gorgeous night. And a gorgeous fisherman. Well,
Hey.
hello. How's it going?
Welcome to Crankin' Hogs.
Welcome to Crankin' Hogs.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh, it's one of them, what is that, a walleye?
I think so.
Hell yeah. All right. Well, well, well.
I got one too.
Oh, man.
Nope. Just a heavy old weight is what I got.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
Well, I'm glad I checked the rod.
Yeah.
See you later, buddy. Not big enough to weigh. Not big enough.
Oh, they're nibbling on this one.
Well, we got nibbles all around here. Let's see. Let's see what we got.
No, I think he like, oh, maybe not.
You never know. Ooh, jumper.
Get over
Attaboy, attaboy. Take it to him. Nice.
It might be a sturgeon.
Yeah, it looks like a sturgeon.
Feels like a sturgeon.
Attaboy. Geez, I might be switching the worms here. That's a sturgey. Yes.
Nice.
Nice work, nice work.
It's a pretty good size one.
He's good. There you go.
I don't know if I should bring it like that.
Yeah, maybe leave him down there and then, sorry. That's why I brought pliers.
He was hungry.
He's very hungry. There we go. Beautiful. Well, I'll let you get the hero shot with this one. Beautiful looking fish. Be careful. One over the head. Yep. There you go, folks. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's fucking laying the wood to me here. Another walleye.
Just a little guy, but
Little-
he's fighting.
Gaffer walleye. Oh, I hooked him in the side.
Oh, what?
I gotta get that on camera.
Got him right in the arm.
Jeez, I feel, okay. Wow.
Tore a bicep.
No doubt. Thank you. That's insane. I've never seen that.
Right?
We're all about safe catching at Crankin' Hogs here, folks. Don't you worry. All right. Little gaffer, we're getting back in the water. What do we got? This one's on this time. Oh yeah.
It's a little guy.
Little gaffer. Jeez, what is it?
Well, that is a...
Tiny. Tiny
Wow.
goldeye.
Oh.
I haven't seen that one tonight yet.
Oh.
Hey, catch and release.
Oh, he's gone. That was a humane release.
Hey, I like that. Easy peasy. Right on. Yep. Perfect timing. All right, what do we got?
What do we got?
Something small. There's something.
Oh, nice. Walleye by the look.
Another one. Who'd have thought, eh? Right in the lip. Left him.
And lots of walleye today.
Jeez. Look at that, folks. Nothing better. Oh, easy. Easy money. And oh, I lied. That other one is in there.
Oh boy.
And all right, folks, this is where the video ends.
Some worms.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I got her that time.
He's got one on the line here, folks. He's rocking and rolling. What do we got? What do we got?
He's a fighting little bastard.
Oh, he's jumping right now. He's a jumper. Woo!
What do we got?
Walleye. No, that's a goldeye.
Oh,
We're going to weigh that.
Yeah.
We are going to weigh that one, folks.
All right, what do
Look
we
at
got?
this goldeye. All right, we're going to pause the camera here and get the official measurements.
Yep.
Party here. He's already mid-action. What do we got? What do we got?
I don't know. He's a fighter.
Oh, whoa, that's a fat, that's an even bigger one. Oh yeah, don't get that one wrapped up.
No.
Oh boy, we're gonna,
I'm going down.
oh my God. That's an even bigger goldeye, folks.
1.5.
1.5? Okay, we'll get that. Sorry,
Oh, it's twitching its nose.
1.46.
It was 1.5, but yeah, 1.46.
Okay, this is our new best.
Sweet.
Okay. Another beautiful day for river fishing. It's a little windy, it's a little cool. Personally, I love fishing on days like this, and I really enjoy that nobody else is out here. So we'll hopefully catch us a big sturgeon today and see what happens. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Oh yeah, hooked into something here. Come on. Nice. A little jumping action. What do we got? Oh, he got off. Fuck. God dang. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, sucker. Hooked us a sucker. I can go down in for this one. That's a nice sucker. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Alrighty. Love that red fin too. Okay, okay. It's been a while since our last catch. Hopefully, big sturgeon. What do we got here? Big goldeye. Oh, snagged on that fucking. Let's get a better look. Oh, you don't. That is a nice goldeye. Alrighty. Gotta be something. Come on. Let's dance. Okay. Yeah. What is it? Ah. Jumpy, jumpy. Looks like a sucker. Come on. Sucker. Jeez, look at that mouth. Woo! Beautiful. We're on a sucker train today. Holy, we're on fire now. Definitely something on this one. Oh, it's kicking my ass already. We got something good here, folks. Woo! Come on. Let's fucking dance. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Sucker. Knew it was something fat. He's upset. Yeah, I won't be able to pull him up here. Holy shit. I'm gonna end up dropping him. This thing is fucking thick. Beautiful. Alrighty. Till next time.